Hey guys, in this video I'm going to quickly walk you through that how to get verified option or verified badge on your Instagram. So what you need to do first is open up your Instagram, and after that you have to click on this three dot bar icon. Then here is an options, settings and privacy. You have to click on settings and privacy option right here. Please watch the full video to solve your problem. So what you need to do next is click on accounts center right here. I'm going to click on this. Then you have to just scroll down and find this option meta verified. Okay, you want to click on it, meta verified option, on the last option right here. After that, here you can see here is even bunch of information right here. You have to read it all. After reading it, you have to click on next. Okay, then you want to select the profile you want to verify it. I'm gonna click on this profile right here. Then here you can see here is the last option. I'm gonna build 960 per month on this profile. So if you wanna get the verified badge on Instagram, you have to pay some amount to Instagram. So after paying this amount, you have to click on this pay now. So after paying this amount, you can use the badge on Instagram on your profile. It will be automatically add on your profile. So this is how you can get your Instagram badge on your Instagram profile. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel.